guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mdea J, and today's video is another hair review. Yes, I've been loving these hair reviews, these wig reviews, so I've got another one for you. This one is a Pixie. Pixie hair. I can't remember the last time I wore a Pixie wig. Like, honestly can't remember. The last time I had this type of haircut was my natural hair, and that's when I used to relax my hair, you know, use chemicals in it. I have been chemical free in my hair for the last 8 years. So yeah, it's been a while since I had this kind of texture or look of hair, but we're going to be trying this wig on, and this is the Janet wig, and this is kindly sponsored by wigit.co.uk. They sent me this wig to review for you guys. They sent me the wig to enjoy, to try on, to talk about, and that's what we're going to be doing. So if you want to know more about this wig, then keep on watching. So here is the wig. And as usual, it comes with the net cover. It does come in its own package. You've got some stuffing inside to help keep the shape. It's also got the information card where it says the name of the wig, some hair care instructions, and so I'll just read out to you. So the Janet wig is premium Futura fiber. There is heat resistant care information at the back. It talks about how to care for it, how to wash it, and information about heating. It says use of heating iron or other heat appliances is not recommended. However, it is safe up to 360 degrees, which is 183 degrees centigrade. So it says that on there. It comes in a lot of colors. So the one that I've got is TF Purple. So you've got some like bits of purple going along the hair. But it comes in color 1, color 1B2, FS1B30, which is an ombre mix. You've got TF Burgundy Red. You've got rainbow. You've got, yeah, it comes in a good range of colors. As you guys can see, the model is wearing the burgundy mix. So, and this is in style Aila. So this is Janet wig in style Aila. So this is what the wig looks like. I'm just gonna prop it on my hand so you can kind of see the shape. It does have 2 combs in front and a comb at the back. Okay. It's got adjustable straps as well, like so, and the cap is fairly stretchy. It's fairly stretchy, so, and this is what it looks like. This is what the cap looks like. This is the cap construction. Alright. Okay, so let's go on and give her a try, shall we? So this is what it looks like just out of the pack. I've not done anything to it. Literally just put it on my head. Haven't styled it, haven't done anything. This is what it looks like. So I am going to have a play with it. Oh, she's look cute already. I'm gonna have a play with it. I'm going to use my styling mousse, the Wrap and Set mousse. It's kind of like just play with it a little bit, but so far it's looking flat, it's looking cute. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, this is what we look like. I kind of zhuzhed the middle up a little bit because I wanted a bit more height. Flatten the back a bit more so it sits quite nicely on my neck. Let's see if you guys can see what I'm talking about. I kind of swooped my hair back in properly. And the sides as well match my normal sideburns, which is perfect. Yeah. Alright. She cute. And there's so many other ways to style this, but I kind of like this because I've got a lot of front hair, so I kind of like just wanted to cover that so that it looks as natural as possible. It looks like I cut my hair and colored it, but okay, so just let me transform my face, okay, so that we can give our final thoughts about this unit. So, 1 second, boo. Well, damn. Okay. And this is the final hair look, guys. I am living for this cut, honey. Let me just turn around so you can see what the back of this hair looks like. Okay. All right, are we living? Are we living? Are we living? Have we lived? So yeah, absolutely love the cut of this. I love the color. I love the way it came out. The styling mousse definitely made this very bouncy and flowy. So you can swoosh it and give it a nice little, you know, adjust it a little bit if you don't want it to be as high up as I made mine. But I love it. I love the cut. I had to trim along my ear a little bit just so that it sits nicely over my ear. Okay, and I brought this to the side so that it looks nice and seamless. But yeah, absolutely love it. So, pros. Definitely love this color. I know it comes in different other colors and it comes in your standard color 1, color 1B. So versatility, thumbs up for me. It comes with 3 combs, 2 of which are here and one is at the back. The one that's at the back is really handy. The ones that are here are not so handy because I feel like I'm wearing a cap. So to try and get the combs underneath the cap is difficult and I don't want to pierce through my cap, so they're kind of like, so there's kind of like no point having the clips over there. I'd have preferred it if they were more to the side so that at least the side is laid down, but with the way the cap is constructed, the cap sits perfectly. I'm not even using the 2 clips in front and it sits quite nicely. I'm only using the one at the back. Plus you've got the adjustable straps, and as I said, the shape of it just makes sure that it's secure. There is no wind that's going to be blowing this one off my head. What else to say? I mean, it is big girl. It is big head friendly. The color's nice. I love the cuts. I love the texture of the hair. I did use a little bit of mousse to give it some bounce, but overall I love the texture. It's not itchy, doesn't have a smell, none of that. She cute, boo. Like, there ain't nothing to say but that she cute. You need you one. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video useful. Leave me a comment in the comment box if you've got any questions, any concerns, anything. I will leave the link to the wig in the description box below. But as I said, this unit is from wigit.co.uk and it is the Janet wig in Aila. And the shade that I've got is TF Purple. The shade the model's wearing is TF Burgundy, and she's got her styled slightly different to mine. I kind of like my brows showing, you know, like fully, and I don't want to cut it, so I like the swooped bangs. But yeah, it's very versatile and I love the shape of it. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment box. As always, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, turn on your notification bell, and let me know if you've got any questions. Always happy to answer. Remember, God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today, and I will catch you guys in a future video. Okay.